Welcome to another T-Break Beats video. In this video, I'm going to compare the Roland Black series of instrument cables against the Roland Gold series so that you can work out if it's worth spending the extra money on the Gold series. I'll do a quick unboxing, a comparison of the specifications, and an audio demo. Note, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased all of the cables myself. I got these cables as I wanted to sample sounds from the Roland MC101 directly into the Machine Plus, and I thought I would share my personal observations and opinions. To represent the Gold series, I've got two 1/4" instrument cables. These cost £12.95 each on Amazon for 3 meters, or £25.90 for a pair. To represent the Black series, I've got a 1 meter dual 1/4" Interconnect cable. These cost £11.80 for 1 meter. The 3 meter length is actually cheaper at £11, but they were out of stock when I ordered. So, the Black series is less than half the price of Gold if you need a stereo pair. Let's get these opened. Both have a piece of cardboard stapled around them and 3 cable ties holding everything together. There's no excessive use of plastics on the packaging, which is good. Hopefully, the extra money in the Gold series has gone into the product rather than the packaging. From handling these, the Gold series feels a lot thicker and heavier than the Black series, and the woven cover adds some rigidity to the cable. The woven fabric on the Gold series is a greyish brown with orange and black accents. Considering it's a double instrument cable, the Black series feels lighter and more flexible. Not as premium feeling, but it looks much better in real life than the Amazon product shots. Now let's start with the similarities. Both cables come with a lifetime guarantee, which is great. Although I've not had to claim against these yet, so I can't comment on the warranty service. However, if this is one of the main reasons for bulk buying the cable, please check the Roland website for the warranty terms and conditions. It appears that both the Black series and Gold series cables use a similar pure oxygen-free copper conductor. There is also a layer of polyethylene insulation and a layer of conductive PVC. Both cables also have an oxygen-free copper spiral shield and a PVC jacket. So the main bit of cable that transmits the audio signal looks to be very similar between the two. I wouldn't be surprised if they were the same. In terms of differences, the main difference are that the Gold series cables come with an additional outer woven jacket and built-in cable tie. The cable tie is branded with the Roland logo. In addition, the connectors on the Gold series are gold-plated, and the housing for the connectors are made of a beefier-feeling soft-touch material, rather than the hard plastic found on the Black series. However, the connectors on the Black series Interconnect cable are colour-coded red and black, which is extremely useful for working out the left and right channels on a stereo pair. So, the main thing we all care about is the sound quality. And is there a difference between how they sound? I'll let you hear for yourself. I've recorded the following passes of the demo track called Minds Are Free from the MC101, using both the Gold series and the Black series. The conversion is going through a UAD arrow interface. This is the Gold series. This is the Black series. For reference, I've also taken a digital recording directly out of the USB from the MC101. This is the USB. Let me know in the comments below if you can hear a difference. So in conclusion, given that the internal cables appear to be similar and I can't really tell the difference between the two, I think I would just go with the Black series if you are on a budget. Also, given that they both come with lifetime warranties, I would only go with the Gold series if you like the look of the woven sleeve. That's it for this video. If you like this video, press like and subscribe for more content related to electronic music production. Thanks for watching.